Alright, here we go. We've got the Lutron Honeycomb blinds going down. I've got the lights off in the room, so you'll see how much room darkening this does. We've got a little ambient light creeping in from a couple areas, but the honeycomb blinds minimize the light gap so you can get, as tight as possible. So it's very minimal, but you can just see how much this changes the darks of the room. We've got this over there, which does actually have a blind not motorized yet, but just noticing because the room was so bright before, I didn't even notice that. But here we go, Control4 Lux keypad. So let me just do good morning. I'm just going to turn on, I guess that's the hallway light. I haven't set all these scenes yet, but let's go middle, perimeter. But yeah, great little piece. Open the blinds back up. Let there be light. Harness the natural daylight to enhance your mood. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.